Long before modern traditions, families gathered after dark for candlelit meals and midnight church services, waiting together for the birth of Christ to be announced at dawn. Christmas Eve is older than Christmas Day itself. In the early Christian world, a day didn't begin at sunrise, it began at sunset. So the celebration of Christmas started on the evening of December 24th. But Christmas Eve also absorbed older customs. In medieval Europe, the night was believed to be thin, a moment when the earthly and the spiritual came closer together. People lit candles, rang bells, and stayed awake, believing light could push back darkness. By the Middle Ages, midnight mass became the heart of Christmas Eve, symbolizing hope arriving in the darkest hours of winter. Across centuries and cultures, the meaning stayed the same. Christmas Eve was never about celebration alone. It was about waiting, reflection, and the quiet belief that light always comes after the longest night.